Sometimes you have to process long strings in ABAP for testing purposes. Today, for example, I wanted to process a JSON. So I copy a longer JSON here into my code editor, and the result is this: a text with line breaks and indentations that is not recognized as a whole string. Of course, for the whole thing cannot be activated in this way. Fortunately, however, there is a setting in Eclipse, and you click here on Window, Preferences, ABAP Development, Editors, Source Code Editors, and then check this box, Wrap and Escape Text when pasting into string literal. Apply and close. Now we insert our JSON again. We can now see that the individual lines are concatenated and tabs or line breaks are escaped. If we now activate the program and execute the code, the JSON string is displayed as normal and can now be used for further processing. I hope this tip is helpful for you. Take care and see you in the next video.